Welcome, bro. Welcome. Confirm. Focha Valley, welcome, welcome. My brother, Clovis. Thank you, bro. Thank you. My strong brother. My strong activist. We give a hit them till the last bus stop na boya. Magis on rock operations. If you come, you share more beats, more audience. Then we begin the show while we first enjoy some small sound them. Will be the audience. It means that we played last time. They say you need the day fine, so I want time again. I don't know if I get the sound because this sound is the one last time. What up, Valerie? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, my man, Ivan, there is space. Okay, thank you. Welcome, my brother, welcome.
Yo,
Mamoru, I see you, I see you. Welcome, Mamoru. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Yes, Dian. Yes, Dian Council.
Simon Nan, l'homme de Nagamoko, Sakaka.
Sunday, glad to see you, brother. My LGA always on board. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Oh. Tokamo. Confirm, Daddy, confirm. We don't enjoy you that sound there. Let's see if we go to. Let me see. I just play a small short one. Then we go to. No, I think see, you know be the one at the final. You know be the one at the final. Kumba Eji, I hear you confirm. Kumba. Now tomorrow meeting then Kumba LGA. Tomorrow meeting there. Any man no that meeting. Any man no can that meeting tomorrow. Oh, White Land. Always there. And Ivan, I see you, Daddy. Mama Robert from Yaoundé, confirm. La République. You know, say you're in a diaspora too, no? Wait, you know Yaoundé, you know, say you're in a diaspora. You know Otto, you know all man, you know outside the sound they come out. Papa Pikin, Papa Pikin. Confirm, Daddy, confirm. Gladys, I see you, I near you. You do one gun salute. You can fill you up. Some All young Bismarck always there to see you, daddy. 21 gun salute. If you come, you share. So that wait till we get today, we'll get the updates for what will happen. For Ambazonia the past week, we evaluate, we touch all the 4 corners of Ambazonia. Yeah, we touch all the 13 stars. The Federal Republic of Ambazonia will touch all the 13 stars. Thank you. I hope so we don't get some amount. We not delay people the way they use na mega bike. We not delay people they use na mega bike for watch the program, especially people that were Ground Zero, because we for diaspora we get various means the way we use. We get our Wi-Fi there for house. We pay bills and money for people Ground Zero for even get the 200 francs. We put the small gigabyte, easy. So we not delay that time. We just pass their message. If you come, you share so that we talk with you. It don't happen within the week. I don't see all man they talk about bafoot, the Libya Lem, the 7 Kacha. They talk about Bonge. They talk about Bali. They talk about Ngokutunja. We get to touch all so that we evaluate what way don't happen within the week. Okay, my brothers and sisters, comrades of the revolution, now welcome on board. Before I want to start, I want to first thank all my way to be committed member to their LGAs, because I don't post, I make some posts. I say if it belongs to LGAs, type like. I see it be plenty. Let me say, and I believe say all my way they watch me for here, it belongs to the LGAs, because that's the only way forward that. That's the only way that way we will make smooth, transparent accountability, because if we not do and so, we'll always keep on the cry every day, say people they embezzle money for the revolution. Because we will carry money give to one individual, you not get right for questioning. But we are LGAs. Now a structure, LGA they like a county, because the power they be given to the local. Is that way for Tao this small way they go local Njange, they go local Njange where they get Njange. For that Njange need the embezzle money, you know fit. Because it must give accountability, because the powers them, the community, the villagers them, or even have a family meeting. It be very difficult for a person for embezzle money for family meeting. Very difficult. Yes, be very difficult. Yes, a person embezzle money for family meeting, because they ever put it on accountability, and the family they know it. Because they want to put to say the chairman, they only know your background. And if you embezzle for family meeting, they know whose side they will take them. Yeah, so it don't want to be slightly like what will happen for LGA, because you want come to LGA, one put chairman, we know your background, we know how you sure you know before embezzle, but you give money to individuals, they will do anything. Then secondly again, I want to tell this one clean and clear. Say any man they wash me for year, any man where they wash me for year, any day where they kill one fighter, you will need to support the revolution. The blood is in your hand. Yes. Now so I don't talk am. We not go use a hash method for taking the money, or we not go expect say me some people the 1 year hate speech for say me talk say me fighter they arrest this man they will diaspora, they contribute money for this struggle. Me fighter they go arrest you. No, my platform we need preach that one. My platform We need preacher one say me fight against right to arrest any man. But my platform they tell you say you will give accountability. Yes, you will give accountability for the struggle when it end. Because it must end. It must end, my brother. This struggle must end. You like it or not, it must end. And you will give accountability. You will be my family. You will watch me. You need to contribute. Not tell say tomorrow you will use passport for come my back. No, because if not so, that will say no man. If not so, that will say the struggle. No man no supposed to contribute because every member, at least each member for the whole ambassador get one or two people they contribute for this struggle. But any man will get accountability for himself. Nobody use passport say my brother be being a chairman of this LGA as so as I go get cover up. You will give accountability you want. You need to give accountability you want. Yes. Because we no one go heaven. We not join. Any man die going oh you want. Any man die going oh you want. You die they put you on different graves. So nothing say go use a pretext for some marry your brother. You just say if the prominent or our president, Dr. Sako, where even our president, then a woman or he picking them, then they contribute with the struggle. Tomorrow, they can't tell we say, na my papa be president for ambassador. Bullshit. You go get accountability, you want. And you tell all ambassadors them. Say, if we need to contribute for this struggle, we not think for our mindset this revolution, it go end. And we go end. Who say you go find yourself? We not go read brief history for what will happen for Eritrea after they get their independence. We now brain go select Eritrea. That's this Eritrea. Now the most dirty country where for the whole world we know am. Eritrea. This Eritrea where they don't get educated like Ambazonia. They don't get educated like Ambazonia. But we now go read what it happened after the independence because. Some people that will look at Eritrea, time that they fight the independence, they say they dream. So when they say they look at it, say dream, say it will ever happen. So when they down and say, so when they keep on and say, no, I don't sponsor the revolution. I will keep my money. When the revolution ends, I go buy land for people that don't die. So when they say no, I will blackmail them. I will support me the ruling the Ethiopia government because it need to see the possibility for Eritrea for win. And then go turn blackmail so that when they don't succeed, he go get position for the government. But Eritrea they be succeed. And they be succeed. You know the most shocking thing I say, that way Eritrea they succeed at war. The first people the way they say one enter Eritrea, people they contribute. Yes. First people they want to enter the land. Now people they contribute. Because victory don't come. You want to go enter now for say look land the way you buy. You want say industry, money man. I tell you, you say show money now. You come with your agbada, you so. You say look land with goggle eyeglass. But I tell you, I say, we don't go talk say be the kiss of man. We don't just say the arrest of man. But I tell you, I say the end time. Now I tell you know. Yes, they say that the time man don't finish. Now I tell you know the end of the game. Yes, I tell you know the end of the game. I want to tell people who need to contribute. They think say the revolution will fail. But I want to tell you say it will end. I want to tell you say any fighter today, una makam, una want to contribute. Any fighter they kill today, the blood is there for una hand. Yes. Any fighter they kill as of now, they talk. In the past years, of people forget because our boys now they be very trained, well trained. They get the experience. They hold the thing their belly. They didn't have support because that time they go for street say Odeshi. The boy don't understand the system now. So anyone so well who lost another Ambazonia will blame my blame. It will go for people the way you need to contribute for this struggle because the way happen for barefoot. If that boy they will get all the material, they will push the enemy away. They will push the enemy away. I will not for if you get one casualties. We not will see head of a human being where they cut them, pin up a stick. Would they still come for that one? Would they still come for that one? So now my introduction, that one don't fail tell all my way. You know the way LG is. Yeah, any man know the way my LG. If you wash me for your way, you know the way LG. Better you know even if you wash me. If you know the way LG is, no need for even wash me. I don't care if you say whether you support the interim government or what. But if you know they are LGAs, you don't even need to watch my program. Yes. Because time don't reach, all we get will stand together, we'll fight the fight. We'll be youth. Now see the body they sleep for down. Not be so papa they sleep for down there. Now youth them me and you sleep for down there. Then what you do for support the youth? Okay, my brothers. Now there's small introduction that way I get that today. I will begin for the update for Ngokitunja, Balukumbat and the rest. Yes, about the information where I gather and reliable source, you know, when I say we just see our social media, because social media now a forum where any man who hook up a bet, any man that hook up a bet, he just dream. Don't use the fingers and don't type. You go on social media for consumption. In the social media, I don't be a forum now for we forget our facts. I want to tell my viewers them. Social media now not be the forum now for we forget our facts. If you want to get some facts, I tell you now, fellow Ambazonian, if you want to get facts, if you did Mbonge, LGA, yes, if you did Mbonge LGA, something they happen with Ngokutunja. You want to know, just in order to do, ask your chairman. Your chairman will link you. You be very you feel he will link you the chairman from Ngokutunja. There you communicate. You say, bro, you hear anything will happen for Babalang. Now how he go? He go explain that for you very well. You understand. But if you not there county by county or LGA by LGA, you will get a stumbling head. And when I know say most of the things the way it happen, this LGS chairs and the county chairs, they do all a meeting and for deliberate and for talk issue the way it affect their local community. And so by so doing, they share information, and those chairs, LGA chairs, they can inside that LGA, they can circulate the information, educate the people, they give the rightful information. And then, apart from the way to social media, if you go inside WhatsApp forum, them you will see all information, update everything. But when you should not go outside where they lose, you say, you know the LGAs. Now you believe for Facebook, and when you believe for Facebook, you will ever know say the word you didn't find on Facebook, the word you find for Ground Zero and with the structures. So what will happen for Ngokitunja, the chairman and the other cabinet? They tell me say the Babalang forces. Una know the Babalang forces. The Babalang forces. The Marine. Those Marine forces we na see am. Na them. Well, if you are the talk today, na them. Where I want tell una the message where they say ma pass am to the people. They say they be very committed. Yes, they say first thing, then Ngokutunja, they be very committed, and then they get well organized structure where the other country they suppose copy them. Then Ngokutunja I talk with their chairman and the defense team. They are very committed, and then they get a well organized structure. They tell the population say, me the level sleeping don't lie now because. For recently, military day for Bui almost 3,000. Another one all over territory now, military day all side. The another one, but they tell me say, my tell people say they be very committed for the struggle and they demobilize for come. Yes, for push the occupier. And then tell me say, ma advise them Ngokutunja picking the way. They still there outside there where they see dream. And tell me say, ma tell Ngokutunja say. Their country where they believe on their custom and tradition. Yes, say their coach, they believe on their culture and tradition. Say all them, where one man cry, it means say all man they will come out. Now so he said they say about tell the Ngokutunja, even the one they will go stay for America for many years, we now go stay for America, on Europe, on Asia for years, we now forget about our culture. They say about tell una say. When one man cry, all neighbor they will come out. They tell me, I say, when person die. Now the whole village you come out for can bury that person. And automatically now, when I don't surrender the war for some particular people, all them go continue picking them, sons and daughters. When I go for come out, for join una LGS and county, for push this enemy to the wall. And they message that way, they say, my pastor for una. Then, it's the way it happened during the week. They say they burn houses. Yes. Una imagine say, for Ngokutinja, military camp is a house. He moved up a person there is a house with a woman. He moved up a person there is a house with a woman. I see. A mutual person there is a house with a woman. A mutual person there is a house with a woman. What way the military do not say? They take that man, say they suspect he's an amber fighter. Una here, una be here carnage way. That means this military people they commit them. They move the guy. They take woman and they say, who side they carry in must go? They say they want to go question him. Say they suspect he say amber fighter. They carry him, they go backside. The woman 1 year na gunshot. Now say the woman that get to the way they told they say get to get courage because we don't see play where they shoot. The woman who asks her they don't shoot even the woman. But they get courage. He asks the people they say, Wusa Imasa. Tell they come back, he see them. Where don't hear that gunshot? The people tell say Amber don't shoot Imasa. And Amanda way he get picking them. Where them say that girl na widow. As I will talk president also, that girl na widow. When I see now people in that way, I want to tell these people they think say, oh Yanisi Court and all the people say rehabilitation center. When I see how if you suspect person say na amber fighter, as a military trained personnel, what you get for do? What you get for do? Not when I get rehabilitation center where they say Kanatumi get one, the Cameroon government get one. You will arrest person of that nature where things say be amber. You don't see no till a weapon for your house. Then you know take it go for rehabilitation center, or you know take it go for questioning. You turn go backside, you shoot it. Away, you move up eat them for house the woman, and you see picking them. Now they live with this way this minute don't go. So now high time where me and you for year where we watch where me and you who no say for our brain say no be crisis. No be ambassador not get a crisis. Ambassador get a war, na war there for ambassador. Because some people say get mentality say this ambassador crisis one day government will settle the matter in end. That one be not pass things. We didn't have a war. We didn't have a war where now only third party go come in between us. And now we will resist them. We another one. We will resist the government, put the government into their knees. We don't really make them don't be financially bankrupt. We don't really push them to the levels where the government don't go financially bankrupt. What they were going to do now, I say, we mobilize ourselves, we come back as before. They will take the game. We'll change the game because we're going to change the dynamic. We're going to change the system of the game. La tax la Republic use them. La Republic use the tax in a way that the group military now. They do the scatter military at first because they know say our boys they get sophisticated weapons now. Yes, they'll be aware that one say our boys they be well trained against and they get sophisticated weapon. What they do now say they group and attack. They will just come for one area. They say they want to attack. What do I say? They want to attack Batibo. They go come the 2,000 for Batibo. They cause havoc for Batibo. They come on, they go. They be there 1 month. They will go like they will come there from Malende. They come from Malende. They go at they group the 3,000 for Malende. They cause a havoc. That's what they do. They need to work again. At time they work at small because you know say if they do so, we don't finish with them. Yes, and we get where they were. We need to trap them very easily as they work with that group. And you know say when they work with a group, they think say they will be protected because they be very easy for capture all those and them. Be very easy for capture them. And when we capture them, how we go capture them? And me and you go to join support for capture the military. The burn houses, man, name the house where they burn them. They say they burn 11 houses for Babalang. They burn 100 houses for Njugru, Kwata. And then instead of very Kwata, they burn 100 houses. They destroy the palm farm idevole. Now the statistics that way 2 happen from Gokituda. And then they say from the Kwata, they burn 5 houses. Then they kill 2 civilians at the spot. From the Kwata. Now still for that side. And then we let fit, they burn 7 houses. And when I say as they burn the houses, they get system and now they are motor the work now. After they burn the houses, then they lose property them. Yes, because the government now, you don't get money if you feed them. So then the work of their skin now, as they reach for your house, you youth, they feel bubble you first. Feel bubble you, your madam, charge your house. Anything they see them, they took out your pocket. If they see a rice, bag rice, you keep them. They carry, they see tomato, all that they gather, put it in a motor. Before that, they kill you. And they do another kill you now. They put you outside now, they burn your house. Now so the military they do. Now so they do. And they do the same for Bali. For Bali Kumbat, they do the same. So, fellow comrades, we don't see over the week how in this military they don't mean I say they must succeed their mission because we get intelligence, say they don't tell them say me they fight always move we for game. They find way now so that if you get a way now for announce the president because they know so that we will the main target. Because if they announce the president chaos one people that side, they don't fight the war for 2 fronts. Now why now you see they demobilize, they will send all that troop back. We pass a strong message say we don't start fighting war for 4 years. In that thing for days. We don't start fighting war for 4 years. In that thing for days, and we're not going to rely on our efforts. We're not going to rely on our efforts. So any man when you contribute for this struggle, me mark you, me don't mark this day when you talk to they say, this will happen for Eritrea. It will happen for Ambazonia. And you see talk and I will still keep repeating. This will happen for Eritrea. It will happen for Ambazonia. Now the update that we will get for Ngokitunja, Masi, we'll go for the next step now, Bafut. Yeah, I'm going to just join Bafut and Ngokitunja. Last week, Saturday for Bafut, we don't see for Bafut the key person, they pin here for stick. We don't see the La Republique style way, that Makizar. They don't go now, they don't go strategize, say, me they do Makizar style. Because in those days of Makizar, that's the level they do about Makizar, they say that the population be frightened, they surrender. So they don't try all methods, they don't try all strategy for succeed. They don't fit. Now, they want to implement this system for Makizar, where they be doing in those time for Bamilekism. But one tell the Bamilekism the way they support La Republique say, when I wash your eye, when I own game, it go worse. Makizar to be doing for una. Una never see nothing. Una way, I mean Bamileke the way they need to support this struggle. Bamileke them. I tell Bamileke them. Bamileke. Una ronka sacrifice we. Una don't see to where La Republique do for we no. La Republique tell una say, ti way be do for una. It be good that time. Una surrender. Now you don't want to have a winner, but they don't come to the wrong side. They don't come to rock. They don't come to people the way they say never again generation. We will be never again generation. It not go ever happen to where our forefathers they be misfire. These people, see, we are picking them. We are picking them. If we not succeed, and why we not succeed? We go succeed within short possible of time. We go succeed in the revolution. Now don't wait and see. When I see how they cut people that net, they hang up on the street. Then that very week, yes, I will be I will happy because I will be announced them last week because our boys them they will do a great job. The same catastrophe about foot. They will do a great job last week, Saturday and Sunday. That was this why in our way we don't talk say we don't need posting for social media. You want posting, you want see, you want get intelligence, join your county, join your LGA, you'll get the intelligence very well. Now we talk say no one posting. We boys them, they will touch them very well for Saturday and Sunday. 10 ekelebe be sleep down. More than, yes, man over coffee got more than 10 ekelebe, they be sleeping. Now be hear that one in a say when I hear barefoot, the same kata or barefoot bed. Now you want down to the backup. Yes, well they work like a community. LG anyway, they be go for assist. But we don't see it recently for Facebook. I think that today or not yet today, where Facebook they cry say this. I want to tell that say those information I share on Facebook now is be highly unclassified. Those images I share on Facebook. Now sometimes it be where so instead don't happen with some kata things. Some people they will come take the image, they can't post them. They can't post them. So now be very careful. Things that they happen now outside. Even for Nigeria, they keep for Nigeria. So ambassador they did now way they are won't say after they see image where people sleep on site, they can't now pop catch you on Facebook say ambassador fighters them. Me okay ambassador fighters them. Una give be very sharp. Very sharp. But we hear the incident thing they happen for barefoot bet. Some man say 50 fighters in a year. 50 fighters. 50 fighters. But when you get information, say, I think at 3 fighters, but we see investigate, I think at 3 fighters, we not say, when the boy they do war front, mostly, they are network, they are networking the pass. Yeah, they are networking the pass when they do for war front. Yes, they are networking the pass. But when you get information, they say 3 fighters, they will sleep. Yes. So may they are so rest in peace. Yes. Now, when these fighters them they sleep, me and you go blame who? And the funniest thing I say, man really contribute for the struggle. Now you go start pointing finger. If this money be there, if this money where since when the revolution start, you never give 5 francs. 5 francs. And now the blood of that fighter, the way the killer, they go for your head. You will never ever contribute for this struggle. Now so me I talk, you go for your head and you go pay. You go pay. You go pay. So some people they say 50 fighters. So one say this is not 3. Not 3 fighters. 3. How many the day for they come? They kill them. The general, also the general they like public key, even kill the general. You know put on Facebook. You know put on Facebook. How many 50? Hey! So now we go be focused. I don't forget distractors. We go be focused. I don't forget distractors. Then before one can this one, I want to thank our brother Paul Nilon for his show where we make at the other day. The presentation. It was wonderful because he talk very well. We don't take a lot of time for the criticize this man. So but now we focus on ground and when I see the changes. Social media now you reduce that request of social media when I say it calm down because even though at times when person provoke you push to the wall, you must react. But at times, yes, I react on time, but at times I hold my heart. But I don't listen where to it up. Move with the focus now at ground zero. With the focus now at ground zero. We forget about distraction because we didn't make them popular. As I talk rightly, we didn't make them popular. You come for your show, you hold one activist name, you end show. Yeah, that's how we do them. You hold one activist name, you end show. What you don't talk? That means say you don't talk about activists. Then the activist will come again. Next show, he bring topic talk. Then you will come another show. You bring your name talk. But now, one the focus for ground zero. And now the year action. I promise you now. Say as I talk now, especially the youth, they for water and water. Now the year action. That money on my contributor I never go in vain. Even at $1, 1 franc. Now go year, now just wait. Patient a while, not more than months, not more than months. When I go the year, tak, now go year, tak. Now the you they operate, tak. Now year, we be quiet, now tak. So we be very focused. I don't forget about distractors. Yes. Then see the next topic. See. Okay, we go about do as federation people there. That one I will just start as small because Now, some of the things that way we not even need to talk about Agboogbala dismissal. But now, what you I gather I will talk about Agboogbala dismissal and I say, I want to tell that they distract us them. Yes. Because we get to preach them for the everyday. We get to tell them every day because if we not talk for them, if we not talk for them now, so people never now talk fit change it. We never talk every day. They come out one after another, come out one after another, come out one after another. I be post them. I ask you say, now how market for federation? That's why I be ask Agboogbala. Because now one of them have the way they believe say now diplomacy if you work for this war. No one day. Now the people in that way they believe say without gun, without rengenge, without machine, diplomacy. Now if you work for the revolution, now when I ask that picture say now how market for federation, now how market you worker. If you market worker, I mean tell you say the market worker. When I see just recently they dismiss it. It come on social media now he talk his own thing for back himself. When I don't say when picking that way they premier call where you don't fail. You get that style. People that quarter picking that category quarter picking no. Where you don't fail exam. You go define all way now when your friend them where they already pass. They already wrong go ask. For go show that report card for that mommy. You never back now you define pen. Then now you define eraser. If you want change, if you between number 99, you want wipe that number, that another 9 for back. You keep that another 1. Maybe say you pass. Then you do all fraud. But no say you will go for house. They catch them. Yes. When you do all fraud, you change the pocket. Change, you raise them. You change them. But no say you go for house to catch them. I think that way Agboogbala is trying to do now because they already dismiss it. Whether na sanction or na suspension or na what you be me I go say dismissal. School dey where they dismiss you. Your parents they seek a bet. They see admit you with that school, they give you warning. But your record, don't you tell them beyond dismiss you. Agboogbala, where in the call say I need to say because it's a man no coach profession because he be human rights lawyer. I want to ask you say this human rights lawyer where they cry every day. They fight for federation. Which level of federation they don't go because you like human rights lawyer if Yaoundé they decide for dismissing for our own university for Ambazonia, our own university they decide for dismissing. Then you think say the federation where in the top who say Eastern because if they was that judge itself now. If the Agboogbala was a judge, he said, say, if the Republic will dismiss it for English university, I will say, I don't see the question them. People know I see on Facebook. Ma read question where Agboogbala post them, where he said I was just picking them. What I if I ask myself and I say, that say if you want like a lecturer for university, you want say question. The question must go with Jean Famine don't go. Then before he edit the question, then before he come back for you, then give the picking the own. I don't understand. I don't understand that that game. I don't understand the game. My written on the question where Agboogbala set them. When I just question that way, I want to tell you when I say La Republic, they want wipe our culture. They don't want to know our history. La Republic don't want to know our history. In that way, the arrest teacher. When I say arrest teacher, we are on the way. He teach about the Southern Cameroon issue. They arrest it. I say they just Agboogbala, they just in a human rights this, they don't arrest it, and they say they won't set in letter since for suspension. Ma reader muna here wait to the suspending. Ma see. Una already see which. Now see which of the time, which big which of the time. Where but instead now you don't cut to say federation. People don't go fight for how many years? People they go on the fight when I talk about federation. Okay, una see. First question. Yes. The first question say the Anglophone crisis since 2016 was caused by the lawyers and teachers strike. Assess the validity of this statement. 40 marks. Now, first question that they say the Anglophone crisis was 2016 is started by lawyers and teachers. May they evaluate, elaborate on it. 40 marks. Now, first question that now see play to dismiss a lecturer. Now see what to dismiss a lecturer for university. Second question. Discuss the special statute with the framework of the special statute in Cameroon. 30 marks. Third question. Between 1961 and 1972, Cameroon had federation. Discuss. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow comrades, when I don't see now just 3 questions that they dismiss our brother of federation. When I this time of federation, now they don't start to block all roads. They block all roads for independent. And when the federation didn't favor them, La Republic denied them. They only push on La Republic. La Republic say, "You don't want you. You don't want Muna." Now they only push their skin. Now what you don't say about La Republic are skin, these people them. La Republic don't talk a clean and clear. Say, "You don't want we. You don't want we. More go." But when I see there, now this enabler they show that they make them La Republic a kiwi. Because now they still tell La Republic say they deal with them. La Republic don't tell them now go. Now drive agobalaso. Now drive it so. Say me go. We don't want tea. But tomorrow he will go stand, make another statement. Say we been did this. Now drive it so. It is the one driving the car. If you say you want me the Republic on social media, can't say they don't want La Republic ambassador they go. When I say La Republic, they will come on social media. Can't tell we say they don't want we move go. Now indirect way they for drive you. See, if you want to find one company don't tell you say it deny you now because of this. They give method for that system when they take them for reject you. So that means no say they don't want to. Paul Biya be talk for Paris. He talk about Paris say they don't try to assimilate we, but we no day. He be talk about Paris say for ever since they don't try to do we no day. I want to tell these people of federation say what to be that problem with La Republic. When La Republic don't want them, and then they deceive force themselves in La Republic. Now tell they say me they rethink. Me they rethink. We see with them. We finish with that side. We go with the Water na Water project. Sorry, say I no paste this thing for here. But I think say football match will do tomorrow. Fellow comrades, fellow Ambazonians of the revolution. I want to tell you, say, Masi na water, say, Masi. Okay. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow comrades, I want to tell you, say, wait away with the fail for this revolution. Now there's failure of the youth. Yes. If the youth galvanize themselves, if the youth them they join together, my brother, with the ending show for this, I want to tell you now time and again. And I want to thank my committed member there for Water na Water. You will never join Water na Water youth, and we don't want a year youth for Water na Water. We don't want we want youth the action. We want that youth the way that blood. You know that you don't go play ball for hot sun, or you don't go clear farm for hot sun. Your blood the light so if you don't touch the bread, they touch blade today, it pump na pump, it just box na box. We want that kind youth them. We want that kind youth them for Ambazonian. They use the area that head the shake. Yes, maybe say we head the shake, we head the hot. Now we need that for Water na Water. We need that for Water na Water. We want change the game. We want change the game for that. I will change the game. We go here We don't tell una give some small time. Una go hear action for them. For water. We dey talk do am. We no be the people wey we talk promise. Water. We dey talk do am. So I want any man wey dey for here now almost 260 members, 61. Yes, you were the listen with me. Tomorrow match, we want raise money. We need money, and we now give the money. And not be by force. We dey beg na beg. €5 upwards. €5 upwards. €5 to 1,000. €5 to 1 million. For fit our fighters. Then we hear the great work for Watana. We hear the great work for Watana. That match is not easy. Now the initiative that way all we galvanize youth in respect of what we come together. We share together. We share brain. Now people in there they be too intelligent. And most people in there they be too intelligent. For where they happen for damn belly, the only should go back. Not disclose your information. Just come share your ideas. Share your ideas with the people. Then we succeed. Because the youth they get involved. I tell you now, most liberation leaders them, when they don't ever rule for the world, now youth them. Why God give ambassador so? Most liberation leaders them, when people they stand in front, now youth. Now fight out, now youth they ever stand. Because they get the power for talk, holla. They get the power for war front. If you run, if you want war, they hold gun. Yes, if you want war, they hold gun. So I want beg all my viewers, say, we will join this Water project. Una will see, una will even see and see am. Una will witness am. Una will share na eyes una see am. So I will leave that one. People they know. People they watch me where they do Water. They don't even need me to talk plenty. I don't talk as now with people the way they never know the two way Water they do. Yeah, people they never know. Just join, you go see them. See, we're talking now for National Defense Council. We don't get we not the USA in even USA, we not to say USA. At this level now, where I don't can say clear the space. Clear the space. Give room for waiting. When you clear the space, you give room for waiting. You give room for contribution. You give room for positive ideas. Yes. Now what I tell you my show now, clear the space. When you clear the space, you will give room now for waiting. Now positive ideas, positive solution, and contribution. No more distraction. No more distraction. Because now the revolution need money. The revolution need money past any other thing. Past talk. This revolution need money. We will get for do it. They don't create a National Defense Council. Let me Nestor. Anytime of now, I will invite you for my show. Make her explain very well because they need money at the level of national defense. They need money for CID. They need money for Ambassador TV Club. Me some man talk say over money for the revolution. Now money go take me to boya. No be talk. Now money. So if we must talk, you give money for this side, give that's all the gap. You know me say you take all your finance, all your money, you give them all for the revolution. Though your small contribution. If you feed 1 million ambassador they contribute for the revolution, only $10 every month. Una know how far we don't go. I want to tell you intelligence. Most we forget about ground 0, ground 1. Ground 1. We don't even need ground 1 again. We don't even need ground 1 for this game again. We don't get all the intelligence. We don't need small support. We do the thing for ground 0. We sister will do the thing there. Now don't forget about ground because we'll take ground 1. Music kill run. They go block road for go the trap of our fighters. We sister will manufacture. We do the thing. We don't need our support. So I repeat all member for our brother Nestor. Let me Nestor the self-defense. The spoken one national self-defense. He come out with a project where it needs finance because now one they call an emergency project. That one now emergency project. So anytime you come, I will invite you. You will come my show. You will come explain them. We need money for emergency because like now, I tell you the way emergency they go. I tell you the way emergency they go. Bafu the hot now. Now two Bafut and the BLM and Bui the hot. What the National Defense Council will do? If they come in now with full support,
If the LGA not because if the LGA to be viable, their financial the short, material do the short. National Defense Council, it go there very powerfully for awake them up, for give them more energy. When the provincial level we stand, but if the National Defense Council, the national defense, get material, get resources. The only cat of Facebook will mock. The only cat of no action. Now money be action. Now material be action. So we go to join all the institutions. They will not say, we're the one lack of this site. If we not give them no CID, okay, county by county, and LGA, they control the war front. They control war front. Now think say who will take care of that our prisoners them, our refugees. Now that money for CID. Now that money for CID. Now they go for help other side. While the other part, national defense and the LGAs, they concentrate for war front. The only thing for war front. Why way IG, the CID way individual level where people they get every month. It go for refugee, prisoners and diplomacy. When I know say we go for the knock door and money the knock door. When I hear Cohen, na Cohen, where boy have a talk, he talk that time say Cohen be tell say for phone say me give $30,000 every month. They pay $30,000 every month for lobby. I want to tell now listen very well. Say money they go for revolution. Money they go for revolution. We money everything. We money if you bribe every county. Me support you. We money if you bribe every county. You see your resources. You see your mobilization. You see your money. If you not bribe, if you supply you material, right or play with one time. We money. If you supply, can't if you supply material, right or play with one time. We don't need a mobilization. And the money, and the tell my brothers and sisters, we no give up. We no give up. We enter all this small jaggy the way I don't talk so. All this small jaggy the way you give one figure and give the one figure. You know go shock people for nothing. People don't think say I want to tell you something. People in the revolution they start contribute the revolution day one. Day one when the revolution start, but you never shake them. You never shake their inch. They still feed their family, pay their bills, do everything, and they still be better off. People already need to contribute when they never ever contribute 5 francs, and they still borrow money for marry the contribute for revolution. As I will say, why you contribute money every day? You give money for the revolution, but you see they find you see marry need to give money. You ask to keep your own money. God the bless you. God the bless your source. God the bless your source because you fight a just fight. You fight for your people. Yeah, the blood of that innocent civilians then when they kill them. So God, that blood it can cleanse away. It purify your source of income. The blood of that nonsense civilian the way they don't kill them. Our prayers the way that refugee when I send chop for refugees for Nigeria for our prisoners them. Only that time too. Say when I time them of diaspora the way diaspora they send this money. They send this money. That time to don't really bless you when they give the money. You don't even need. It don't really bless you, my brother. Okay, now we'll go for county Kumba LGA. I want you to use the opportunity for take all the Kumba picking them. Kumba LGA. Say we'll get a package. I don't know what I'm gonna be listing my last show. Mbonge LGA and Kumba Konye LGA. They be talking about announce. I say me all the sons and daughters for Kumba Mbonge and Konye. Say me they get something for review. I don't know what they won't reveal them. But I see insist. You whenever here go for the LGAs. Go ask them. Say they tell you say me can't listen something. Go for your LGAs. And then Mbonge Kumba LGAs. We'll get a meeting tomorrow. Kumba the giant. We'll get a meeting tomorrow. Tomorrow we want mobilization for that meeting. Never. We want see participants for that meeting. In short, because we Kumba beat. We Kumba beat the whole Meme. Another one. We Kumba beat the Kumba whole Meme county. So it will make Kumba Meme county be ungovernable. And now who them? Now me and you. So meeting day tomorrow. Even you never ever join. You will never ever join. You feel after this, you feel inbox me when the meeting there, I will send you link. You join the meeting. You were not there for when you never argue for county. You will never argue for county. Tomorrow meeting, after this, you inbox me say when the meeting starts, ma send you the link. I will send you the link. You join the county. Then you listen for yourself Wara tiwe the talk na lie. Wara tiwe the talk na lie. You before you join. So I want beg my brother Kumba LGA say, we not relent our effort. We know where we start. Kumba LGA. Kumba LGA. I tell you what people they inside and the one that they seek for come. We know our work. We know our work for Kumba LGA. We know to do. We know where to will get them. And we know what to give people be capable of doing. More make them feel we too. More make them. Me Kumba. Me the other neighbor the two. Me the Langawi. Yes. Me they make them me make langa for the other LGA and two. Where they can't beg for we say move support them for backup. Yeah, I want to thank the Kumba for backup at the beginning for Mbonge. That which we call a collaboration. I want to thank the Kumba LGA for the collaboration where they give a backup for Mbonge for small criminals where they harass people there. And we see talk to one, we get criminals for Ediki. Recently 2 days ago, we hear where that boys them where because of my last show, they take boxes them, go right inside bush, harass civilians them, collect money for them. We the one who now, I tell now if not been I tell the boys them, we the one who now Ediki, the boys they know play like top. We the one who now don't disturb our civilians. We the one who now will come after now. We will come after now. We don't worry, we will continue. We will fight La Republic, still fight now. We will fight La Republic, still fight now. Since we want to disturb our humble civil away, people don't feel pain for years. We don't fight for 4 years. People are in pain. You come here, go inside bush, you see some money, you see even people at 10,000. You say 10,000 for each man. It's easy for the dry season. It's easy for dry season. For man to get 10,000. For Ambazina now, it's easy, especially for that Kumbazo where been a cocoa season where national na dry season. It's easy. Now I take people seize their phone. Now I seize their phone. Then they ask them to decode the phone. Now yeah, see what boys they do. They are telling the boys them. They take their phone. Ask me decode the phone. Ask me decode the phone. But when they investigate, what see them? Since they want to decide for harass the population. Okay. Now the population be given a refuge. Now the population be say we will use that very population, we will succeed now. One after another. We don't say we will take now one after another. Now don't worry. We will come for una. We will come for una. Then the last way I will talk about LGAs. I get one proposal where we get for do with activism. What way we don't realize I say so LGA they sleep. So LGA they not be active. We will enter. Water, you get project. What will they enter? Do the acts? How they give ideas? What they give to do? Because we don't like I say, actually they sleep because so you complain say their material short. They get very vast territory. Their material short. Now what you talk? I say they cheers them for all LGAs. They will get a meeting. We get 63 LGAs. They get to hold a meeting. Where that meeting it will be about mobilization of funds. That meeting for all the LGAs, when I hold a meeting, no county, not the county by county, is small one, 60 something. When I go hold a meeting, how will I get in touch? If we succeed for come together, we raise fund. Even after one week, all the people in the LGAs, all them. The members of all LGAs will support that initiative. We will raise one, even at they say each LGA giving at $2,000. Now join them. Give one LGA the other week. So that me, if we want to do something, not be that thing to say one machine, two machine, with LGA, one machine. Me, when we see even one LGA be well equipped, then the other one, the other LGA be well equipped, the other one, the other LGA be well equipped. Now, so the work they will change. I told my LGA they will listen. When I bring the initiative, we will support them. Better say we lie low. Better say we lie low for our own LGA. They will equip the other LGA. Then the next month they equip we. When I not saying Jange that the best way for join money, me plenty. They think I do greater job. Better say we lie low. We equip the LGA. When I say to the apple about foot. We mobilize all resources. Job. Una get better team and give back foot. The next month, chop. Kuba Holland. The next month, chop. And Baba and Holland. Una go change the game, the change. But we start take one money, $5,000 to go buy this. Una start say the material they come, they don't lost because the population plenty. The population plenty. So like it's an initiative that way. We try to see. Yes, we try to see because when military see only one zone be equipped to tonight, they don't pass. They don't pass. I tell you, they don't pass. So I want to thank all my viewers. I want to thank you for the show. Now I want it that way. I get that today for tell you any man wey dey watch me go for a various LGAs. Me go for a various LGA. Join your county, and then join your small the Njangi the uncle and the National Defense. This join your ambassador ABC TV club. You join your CID. You join a Wata. Small. We not see me work all the money you work me can give even at $5. $5, it will do a great job. You'll do a great job, my brothers and sisters. We'll join hand together. We'll fight this war like one people. We'll fight the war like one people. Me wait to not happen for Eritrea. It can happen for we Ambazonian. I don't tell you again say no use pretext. Say your brother they will fall from the revolution. You know want give money because tomorrow you can't stand me back. I don't tell you I say you know ever work. Even doctors, our president, Dr. Sako, he begin. If he begin not be mature when from 18 years, he give money for this revolution. He woman again. No means of man will use pretext so because you know work. I talk even my family look me. I talk na look me no eye. Una ni gam, una say una buy una my family look me no eye very well. Una buy una self Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. I want to thank my viewers very well. I want to thank una say una keep on together we fight. I want to thank even the people that encourage me for back, give the courage. Say tomorrow maybe Monday we'll come for another show where we'll get more details to talk because the only two way we'll get to talk with the revolution about the way forward. We'll forget about distraction, the way people they distract we or this that one lead to nowhere. But we don't really realize ourselves, we don't really wise. Say that distraction they be cancelled and we can drag our foot, they will not go in front, but we don't really wise. So thank my people for watching and God bless you now.